Love those guys. All right, freshen up your makeup this fall with a little healthy glow. Dottie Brown, influencer and owner of Dallas-based Luxe Cosmetics, joins me this morning with how to do just that. You brought some models too. Good morning.
Yes, I did. Good morning.
Okay, so where did the concept come from?
So I wanted to create a product that I could use to glow all over my body. I was trying all these products on the market and I could not find anything that wouldn't get all over my clothes or that would match my skin tone. So I developed a glow kit. And in the glow kit, you get a liquid and a powder highlight, and it's safe to use anywhere on your body.
You took matters into your own hands.
I did.
And now we're all gonna glow, but you're gonna show us how to use this because you have your own way to apply to make sure that it is flawless. So what's the first step?
So the first step, you have to start with your base when you're doing your makeup. So the first step is using a primer that's perfect for your skin.
Do you have one in particular, or just as long as it's a primer?
No, as long as it's a primer that works for your skin type. So they have them for dry skin, oily skin, if you have textured skin, whatever your problem is, just figure that out and then go to your makeup counter and ask them to help you find one that helps fix that problem.
Perfect.
Yes. So then when you do that, your foundation lays a lot better.
Let's take a look at this model here because she is glow. What I like about your glow is that it's a subtle glow, but it's very much like
yeah.
It catches your eye because it's just so beautiful. Well, and so she has the primer on.
And the primer.
And then the glow also.
Yes.
How are we going to set it?
So after you do your foundation, you want to take your setting powder just to set in all of your foundation and your concealer and make it last all day. You want it to set in place, and then you also want to do it with a triangle.
Just pull that hair back a little bit so we can see all the beautiful glow.
Yes, she's
with
so
all that
beautiful
hair.
So you want to just take a triangle sponge because it's a lot easier to use, and then you want to use it to carve out your face and bring back dimension, because when you put foundation, it kind of flattens out all your features. So you want to use a triangle sponge to bring back the shape. Yes. And then you just blend it out, with the fluffy brush.
Of course, these are to have, but preferred the triangles. But Jade McGarry was looking for one of those this morning. Jade, I found your sponge. Just right here.
Pull it aside for me.
Donnie will make one for you. Now, how many different ways can we use the glow? Because I see it's an actual powder.
Yes. So these
powders can do many things.
Powders can do many things. These are two of our new shades from our new collection, but these, you want to see it?
Yes.
Yes.
I'm going to go just like that.
Try it on. So the powder, I use this to finish off the look. You want a healthy glow going on, and so
I'll look good.
Yes, and so both models have on highlight. So this is Macy. Macy has on a silver highlight. Turn to the side, Macy. Yes, and she looks beautiful and stunning, and it just gives your skin a healthy glow. It helps you look younger as well.
When you were making it, though, did you have highlighting in mind, or was it all over? Because I see you right now, and even though you have a little bit of your neck showing, and you are glowing. And so, was it made for all over, or for mostly a highlight? I'm going to use what's left on my hand here. I'm gonna highlight
dab it on there.
Yeah, because why not?
Why not?
How many different ways can we use it?
Yeah, so you can use it all over the body. So I like to use it on my chest, like I have on right now. You can use it on your cheekbones. You can use it as an eyeshadow. You can mix the glow drops with your favorite lotion. It's so easy to use. Like, however you want to use it, whatever's convenient. Just go for it.
Okay. You guys look right now. Let's have a come here really quick more time.
Yes.
So we've mentioned, of course, the powder, but the glow drops. This might look a little intimidating. How can we use that every day?
Okay, so the glow drops. Here, let me see. So you can use this underneath your foundation to give you a nice, healthy glow. And a little goes a long way.
How about this hand?
Yes.
I'm going to be glowing all day long today.
A little goes a long way, and you can blend that out. You can even take
you guys see that?
your sponge and apply it on your cheekbones. You can, like I said, mix it with a lotion, a body oil, or you can just put it right on like you did right now.
I feel like I'm in QVC right now. Like, take a look at this. Sorry, I feel a brand new Vanna White now. And of course, the different shades. Everybody has a different shade.
Everyone has
plenty of shades for everybody.
Yes, we have so many shades, and like I said, we're adding new ones all the time. So
you're so impressive.
Thank you.
We're not going to show her age. I know her age. She is very young, very successful.
I don't care.
Very driven.
You can.
It's girls in her young 20s, and I just love that you're like, you know what? This is what I need, so I'm going to take care of it myself. So of course, you have your glow kit here. I already had your powder. I have it on my eyes today. So thank you for adding a little glam to our daily routine, because if you feel glamorous, just go ahead and put it on. You can you can order yours online. Log on to SoLuxeCosmetics.com, and you can follow them on social media. All the information is there on your screen.